So hi everyone. So I'm Marian Bida Bonete and they used to call me Coach Shanyan. So for today's video, for those newbies, I will walk through regarding on how to start your freelancing journey, to be specific, freelance bookkeeper. So I'll give you an overview or background who is Miss Marian. So at this, you will not be surprised who I am. Yeah, so Miss Marian Labonete o si Coach siya nilang tinatawag is I started the community way back 2021 August, but I started my freelancing journey way back March 2021. So just like you, na nandito ngayon sa nakikinig ng aking videos is newbie din ako that time. Magpo 4 years na ako sa freelancing. And today, I'll share to you some of the questions that I'm getting sa community. That's why we have question when you enter the community. Ano ba yung need mo dun sa loob? So, ang marami akong nakukuhang information is they want to start their freelancing. So, marami din gustong matunan ng QuickBooks, gustong makipag-connect, paano ba magkaroon ng client abroad, and they need the connections, paano ba sila matututo pa ng ibang mga bagay-bagay bukod sa bookkeeping, and they wanna grow. So, for today, yan. So, sabi ko nga dito, I'm teaching since 2021 ng mga free webinar regarding how to start your freelancing journey. So I'll just give you an overview on what you will learn from me. Kasi this is something that I already crafted for 4 years na siguro. Yun nga, sa March 2021, 4 years na ako. So this is the thing that I've learned through the years. So nakita ko doon na before you start sa freelancing, you have to establish your foundation and of course, a clear vision. So, if you will understand or somehow soon, gusto nyo talaga tong i-gawing career or take a leap of faith or another goal nyo sa career na mag-step up and maging freelance bookkeeper working remotely, work from home, and earn higher than what you're getting right now. So, ayan, tinuturo ko dito yung basic, of course, mindset, niching down, and power of branding as a freelancer. Of course, I'm giving you some setting up for success, some tools, processes, and strategies how you get started. So, ibibigay ko sa inyo later or yung na-discover kong 4 phases na pagdadaanan nyo. Ayan. So, kasama na dyan, ayan, finding and signing clients, proven method to attract clients and close deals, building system and workflow. So, dito may mga template, cheat sheets tayo pinamimigay. Ako personally, all of my cheat sheets or mga resources, binibigay ko sa mga mentees ko. And of course, when you already siguro maka 1 year, 2 years, 3 years na kayo, of course, you want to scale up. And doon ko naman share yung transitioning ko from freelancer to become agency owner. So, what I've realized is sabi ko nga, there's 4 phases. Nakita ko doon na unang problem is how to get hired. Paano ka ba mapapansin ng client? Doon pa lang sa application. Ano ba dapat nakalagay sa resume? Ano ba yung cover letter? Ano ba yung mga portfolio na tinatawag? Ano yung mga certification na dapat yung naka-attach sa inyong application? So, isa yon. And then next is phase 2. So, sa phase 2, doon naman yung how to win interviews. So, kapag nakita na ng client yung application mo, invite ka sa interview, pero how can you make sure na mawawin mo yung interview? I have 3 questions sa interview, tinuturo ko yan sa mga mentees ko, kung paano nila mapapa-oo from the interview pa lang, mapapa-oo na sila na ma-onboard sila or ina-onboard mo na yung client. So that's phase 2. The phase 3 will be, ang problem susunod, after you get hired, or matmala sa interview, na hired ka na, the problem is, ano yung gagawin mo na make sure na ma-deliver mo yung task sa client? So I have some cheat sheet like monthly bookkeeping, email communication, effective communication kay client, paano makipag-usap sa kanila, ano yung mga dapat mong i-submit every week, every month, and how to ensure na ma-sustain yung relationship yung dalawang client, di ba? And then, of course, number 4 would be ayan, na-realize ko, syempre sa freelancing, some of them say, hindi stable. So, just in case mawala ng client, how can you make sure na nakuha mo pa rin yung basic from phase 1, phase 2? So, dapat at least alam mo i-market yung sarili mo. Doon pa rin sa number 4 yung market. Branding, ayan, on how to create lead generation, pipeline of clients. So yan, tinuturo ko yon. And then yan yung 4 phases. But since pag tumatagal ka na habang tumatagal, naghahalimaw ka na sa pagkuha ng client, you want to scale up into agency. Pero different, ano naman yon, teaching ko naman yun or coaching ko yon. But basically, I'm teaching the foundation. Okay? So ayan, so if you can see, ayan, this is my background just to give an idea sa mga makakapanood itong video na to para you will know why I'm doing this. Ayan, so sa accounting people, so already 22,000, I think 23 right now, and counting, and I have more than 800 mentees. I launched a course, not a course, a coaching and mentoring session, and marami na sila doon na tinawag namin silang Accounting People's Elite. And coach, yan, kino-coach natin sila doon sa sinabi ko, phase 1 to phase 4. So marami ng mga wins doon, and yan, I'm one of the top 100 Filipinos on LinkedIn 2024 and 2023, and content creator ng 2023. Okay? Founder and CEO of Taskwise, also a part-time CEO of Amazon e-commerce in Israel, and some collaboration with US, Canada, and Australia. So marami tayong firm na nakakausap. If you will see the previous video, we have Australia, Canada, and inside the community, by the way, we launched different courses like Australian, Canadian, real estate, property management, US tax, and bookkeeping, basic bookkeeping using QBO. Okay? So, ayan. So, yan yung ultimate background about myself. So, para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea who is Marian Labonetti. Ay, coach yan. So, this is some of the testimony of my mentees. So, yan, nandiyan naman yung mga wins nila nung tinuruan ko sila na magka-client. So, madami-dami na sila and counting. And I have more than, siguro nagkaroon ako ng 30 interns since 2022. So, ngayon wala lang interns pero soon. So, ayan, yan yung background ko. So, ayan nga. So, tinuturo ko yan, how to kickstart your freelancing career. Okay? So, soon, isa-isa kong gagawa ng videos kung paano ba maging freelance bookkeeper. But basically, I just give you an idea who is Coach Yan Yan and ano yung matututunan nyo from me. Okay? That's it. Thank you.